Ever feel that tickle in your nose and then, achoo! What just happened in your body? It starts when something like dust or pollen irritates the tiny hairs in your nose. Those are your nasal cilia. Your brain goes code red and sends a message to your diaphragm, chest, throat, and face muscles to gear up for launch. You take a deep breath. Pressure builds, and bam, you blast air out at up to 100 miles per hour. A sneeze is your body's emergency eject button, clearing out invaders with maximum force. So next time you sneeze, remember, that's your immune system on autopilot.